Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review D-Link's new OMNA wire-free indoor and outdoor camera kit. So let's get into it. This DCS2802 KT camera are 100% wire-free lithium battery rechargeable powered cameras. They offer 135-degree full HD video resolution. It has advanced adjustable PIR motion detection system. You can achieve real-time notification and remotely view live full HD 1080p videos with two-way audio. With the purchase, you also get 12-month premium mydlink cloud recording subscription. Night vision captures up to 7.5 meter clear video in complete darkness. Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa and IFTT compatible. It is definitely an advanced camera. Let's quickly install the camera, record some footage and explore more. As you can see, both the cameras are fully installed and mounted. The hub is also connected to my Ethernet network. I'm quite impressed with the video quality of this camera. It's truly HD 1080p. The night vision and the night camera quality footage is also here. You can see in complete darkness, very clear. The first impressions are truly impressive and it's definitely meant to work in any outdoor condition as well. And also you can use them indoors too. The D-Link cloud recording option is great and suits the needs of security, monitoring, real-time anywhere and the recording perfectly. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do that. Thank you.